yellows, greens, black. It's almost like Picasso himself has been here. Hi guys, Conan here from LBC. It's half-term week this week in the school calendar, so that can only mean one thing. We're busy this week cleaning lots of different schools. Today we're in Hatfield, nice and close to our office. We're at Howe Dell School cleaning the community centre. And on this job we're going to be cleaning the three sides of render. We're going to be cleaning some wooden cladding at the front and also some resin bond at the back. So let's go and take a closer look. So this is the front of the community centre, and you can see we've got about 3 different types of surfaces that we're going to be cleaning here today. We've got the render. We're going to be soft washing and steam cleaning it. It might even take a few treatments because it's very bad. We've also got this cladding here at the front under the signage, and in the middle you can see the organic staining, and below we've got the wooden cladding. So right above my head you can see the red streaks. This is red organic staining. Proper word for it is Trentepohlia, and you can see this common in areas that have a lot of moisture and not very much sunlight. So we've come across Trentepohlia lots of different times in the past, and there's all different stains that can be on render. The common ones are green, black, red, and also yellow, especially in coastal areas, but we're confident that we can get rid of these stains and get the render looking nice again. And if you look closely, it looks like somebody's tried to clean it before using the improper techniques. Somebody's probably tried to just cold wash it using the wrong type of nozzle. If you look closely, you can see swirls and all different marks. This is the wooden cladding that we'll be cleaning as well, and it's just weathered and aged over time. It's gone very dull, so we'll be looking to clean that up. And this is the one where we're going to start at the bottom with the chemical and work our way up so that we don't get any run lines. So this is the same cladding here that's just back there, and you can see the difference of the area that's been covered. So this is going to be much more like what the cladding looked like originally, and we'll be hoping to get some colour back into it today when we're cleaning it. So we'll also be cleaning this cladding board as well. You can see some green organic staining there in the middle, which we'll be able to take off. Just like to point out that it's already got some damage here in the corners. Even this bit here is ready to fall off. And you can see the moss growing in the areas that's remaining damp and causing some damage, starting to decay the material. So this is the side piece that we're doing, nice and straightforward. Just cleaning the render. We'll be soft washing it and steam cleaning it. It might take a few treatments because it's quite bad. You can see lots of little black specks, little green specks on there, but it should come up a treat. So this side's probably the worst of the 3 sides. You can see the guys working away in the background. They've already soft washed the render once, and the Trentepohlia, you can see it starts to kind of bleed before it starts to clean up. So they're steam cleaning it now, but it's going to take a few more treatments to get it looking back to new. So let's go and take a closer look at the patio section. So this is the patio area that we're going to be cleaning as well. It's a resin bond surface. So I'm going to get the guys to just lay down the chemical on here and get it working as soon as possible, because that can be working while they're cleaning this render. So it's a beautiful thing it is, dirty render. It's almost like a piece of art. If you follow me in, you can see all these lovely little colours, all this organic growth in the render. So we've got reds, yellows, greens, blacks. It's almost like a painting. It's almost like Picasso himself has been here. So that's the whole job, guys, that you've seen. We've got the render, cladding and wooden cladding at the front. We've got the render at the side and at the upper side, and we've got the render at the back and the resin bond at the back. So I'll see you back here later on today where it should all be done, all looking nice. I'll see you at the end of the video. Hey guys, I'm back. It's the end of the day. It's just gone 4 p.m. As you can see, amazing jobs on this render. I know you didn't think it could look this good, but just in one day's work, what you can achieve is amazing. The resin bond's also looking fantastic. The guys are just around the front finishing up. It's a very good job done here today. Happy all around. So thanks for watching today's video where we transformed this community centre at this school in Hatfield. We cleaned the render, we cleaned the cladding, we cleaned the resin bond, and it's looking like a brand new building once again. Click here to subscribe to our channel. Click here for some more school cleaning videos, or click here for some render cleaning videos.